guys. Welcome to this week's episode. My name is Pat. I am your mentor at Deriv Trading Academy. First of all, Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you with your family relaxing and enjoying your holidays. Well, this week our focus on our focus list we have V10 SO, and then I think I forgot to send you the list, guys, but then I'm gonna send you right away. Okay, so we have V10 SO, J25 VO, CRASH300 SO, CRASH300 SO. And please, guys, just remember that whenever you see an SO right after an instrument, just know that that SO is for selling opportunity, meaning that we are expecting a sell on that particular code. Okay, so yeah, we actually have 4 instruments on our list this week. On all three we are expecting a sell opportunity, but then it's only one on J25 where we are expecting a buy. Okay, so yeah, that buy is a buy, that is for buying opportunity. So let us start with what's this? We have V10. Let's go and analyze our volatility 10 index. This is our volatility 10 index. Okay. So here we are. Let me just zoom in so that everyone can see. So as you can see, okay, if I zoom out there, as you can see, guys, as you can see this area there, this area is actually our resistance area or our third zone. So whenever the market reaches this type of area, you need to consider selling unless it proves to be broken. Okay, so it really need to be broken if ever you want to buy. So we are expecting a sell on this area there, of which when you look at this there, because this one is our weekly time frame. As you're looking there, you can see that the market right there, when it reaches this level, it was rejected. This one is actually a rejection. Okay, actually rejection. So which means it is much more expected to go down as much as reaching this, at least this level here. It must reach at least this level. But then by the look of things, I don't think it will reach this level this coming week or this week. Okay, according to the market, I don't think it will reach this level. It might go down maybe up until this level there, and then we're gonna see again next week Sunday whether we're gonna continue holding if we have entered, or we're gonna have to wait for another opportunity on that coming week. Okay, so by the look, if you are looking at this candlestick right there, this candlestick here, you can see that the sellers, after this rejection there that happened there, you can see that the sellers continued to push it downwards. Okay, continue to push it downwards. But then again, you need to be very, very careful of this level here, because remember, this is a weekly time frame. So you need to make sure that everything before you enter, you have checked everything, and then you can decide whether to enter or not. So this level right there, you need to be careful of it, because by the look of things, it seems like it will take some effort to break it, even though it will break, but then it will take some effort. So we need to make sure that before we enter, everything has been checked out on that one. Okay, let us go down with our time frame, because looking at this with the candlestick, you can see that even the body of this candlestick, you can see that the body shows that the selling pressure, it was not that strong, but then it was strong. Okay, so we need to go down with our time frame, meaning we're going to go to our daily chart. This is our daily chart. As you can see, this is yesterday's candlestick, clearly showing that the sellers were in control yesterday. But then again, check this level there. It was once a rejection point. So meaning there are chances that it might continue rejecting a bit and break later. So which is why we need to make sure that before we enter, everything is clearly checked out. Okay. So let us go down with our time frame, because as it is today, you can see that we're expecting a sell on this one, but only if our H4 time frame confirms with us. Okay. Only if our H4 time frame agrees or allows us to do so. Okay. So looking at our H4, you can see that it has been playing there for quite some time. So still now we haven't got that chance to get in on that one. So we're still waiting for that opportunity, of which I don't see it happening today. Maybe tomorrow, or maybe day after tomorrow on Tuesday, we will have that opportunity to sell. Okay, because what I like about this one, because if you are looking at weekly time frame, you can see that this one might act as a retest, like it was just going to retest this level, and then it might go even below. But then, according to the strategy that I'm using, we will not hold up until that point. We just need to take that quick money and then leave the market, because it's all about how much you want to take. There'll always be money on the market. You cannot take all of it. Otherwise, they're going to take all of your money. Okay, so yeah, let us go to jump 25. Let's go to jump 25. So here is our jump 25. Here's our jump 25. Okay, what we are looking at now is jump 25 on a weekly time frame. Okay, so if you're looking at the whole structure, you can see that jump 25 have been ranging quite some time, even though at this point, let me just put it right there, even though at some time it once tried to break that level, but then it was not that easy, because it turned back again and then to be within the range. Okay, so yeah, by the look of this, you can see, because this one was actually on our watch list. I think it was 2 weeks back. Yeah, 2 weeks back. It was on our watch list because of this candlestick there. But then we did not get that opportunity to enter, of which is why I don't know if we got that opportunity. No, we did not. We did not get that opportunity. And then the reason it is on my watch list is because of, if you look at this level there, you can see that this one is actually our support level, meaning it's our buy area, buy zone. Okay, so whenever it reaches this level here, you need to consider buying. You cannot consider selling when the market is around there. Okay, so I saw that. So it acted as a factor of confluence, or as a factor of confirmation for my buying choice. Okay, so I am expecting this to go up until at least to touch this level, Okay, that's what I'm expecting. I know it might go even beyond, but then at least must be touching this level here. Okay, so don't worry about the fact that I am already in on that one. I'm not in with the strategy that I'm using with you, or the strategy, because on this one we have strategy that we use for daily trading. So the signals that I normally give you guys is for the weekly strategy. Okay, so yeah, even if I'm in now, I won't be here for long. I will just take whatever profit that I have and then leave. Okay, so yeah, this is what is happening, because if you are looking at our weekly candlestick, you can see that the bulls took over last week, even though the buying pressure was not that high, but then yeah, it was fine. It was enough for us to buy. Okay, which is why it is on our watch list. So going down with our time frame, this is what we have. This is what we have on our daily candlestick. This is what we have. So this is the reason why I did not enter it using this strategy, because our daily candlestick was not allowing us. Why am I saying this? Is because by the look of this candlestick there, this is yesterday's candlestick. You can see that the body of the candlestick is not that long, meaning that the buying pressure was not that strong. So we have to wait for it daily candlestick to give us that go ahead, and then we're gonna buy. Okay. So by the look of things, it seems like tomorrow we're gonna have a signal of this one if it continues like this. But if it behaves at the other way around, then we're gonna have to wait. Okay, you already know that with us you have to wait. Okay, so let us go to H4 time frame. As you can see there, okay, H4 is good, but our daily candlestick was not allowing us. Our yesterday's candlestick was not allowing us, so we're not allowed to go even further down because this one blocks us. Okay, so let us go to CRASH 500. CRASH 500. Where's our CRASH 500? There you are. So here is our CRASH 500, guys. Okay, with this one, seems like we're gonna have to take it out. Yeah, we need to cancel this one. The reason I'm saying this is because of this body, the length of this body. It shows that the body was so small. So it shows that the selling pressure was low. So anything can happen there. So we're gonna get in on this one using our daily trading strategy, of which is not available on this group. Okay. Yeah, it's not. So we're gonna get in using that strategy, that other strategy, not this one, guys. So yeah, we're just gonna have to take this one out. So let us go to CRASH 300. This is our CRASH 300. On CRASH 300, what are we expecting? We are expecting a selling opportunity there. We're expecting selling opportunity. Okay. So given this candlestick there, guys, given this candlestick, you can see that the sellers on the previous week, the sellers were in control with greater strength, or with greater selling power. So which is why it is on the list. Okay. So what we are waiting for here, we are waiting for our daily candlestick. Let us see what the daily candlestick says. Okay, looking at this, at our previous candlestick or daily candlestick, you can see that it actually allows us to sell. Okay, it allows us to sell. Okay, actually it did. The opportunity was given at around this time there. Okay, around this time, let me just check. This was yeah. This was, we were supposed to sell at around 6 a.m. But then yeah, we're gonna wait for another opportunity before we can enter on this one. It can be, no, it can't. Yeah, maybe tomorrow, yeah, this one, maybe tomorrow we're gonna sell on this one. Okay. So yeah, that is all on our list this week. I hope I hope you're doing fine, and I hope you enjoy your Christmas, guys. So if ever you have a question, you can ask. You can send me a text on WhatsApp, Telegram, and you can even comment if you're watching this on YouTube. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your Christmas.